fluff, volume, body, like, girl. Thank you, Ywigs, for sponsoring today's video. They sent me 4 packs of this lovely loose deep wave, and look how beautiful this hair is, you guys. This is a 20-inch and they are pre-separated miracle knots. So now I'm going to start the actual braid. What I'm going to do is make sure that I place the miracle knot about 2 inches above the tip of my hair, so the extra braiding hair will not slide down my braid. I'm going to also make sure that I braid past my hair about 1 inch to 2 inches to make sure that when it unravels a little bit, that the braid will not, unravel and eventually fall out. So that's what I am doing here, and as you can see, everything is nicely locked in. I have all of my end pieces in and it is looking so cute. I'm about halfway done, but I wanted to point out, if you have a little daughter, you can stop here. If you don't want too much hair on her head, this will be the perfect protective style. Okay, so I've completed all of the braids. As you can see, it was very, very simple. All right, so I have 2 miracle knots here and I have my crochet needle. Okay, now this process is even more simple. And then we're going to go in the center of this braid. I'm going to take the miracle knot, the invisible string, and we're going to place that on the hook, clamp it, pull that through. Okay, so you're going to just loop it like this around your fingers, and then we're going to pull that through 1 time, and then bam. That's how simple this style is. I'm going to do the same thing to the top of my braid, okay? I have 1 at the bottom, 1 in the center of the braid, and 1 at the top. And that's going to give you a nice full head of hair. show you. What I'm doing right now is just showing you guys how it looks, you know, in its natural fluffy state. And it's just fluffy, it's big, it's a beautiful, like, what? All right, let's put some mousse on it and see how this comes out. We don't have to drench it, just kind of like define it a little bit. See how the curls are just like more defined. You see that, like right there? All right, so let me go ahead and do my edges and I'm gonna show you guys some styles. My go-to is a deep side part. I mean, you cannot tell me nothing when I have my deep side part in. So this is going to be style number 1. It is flirty, it's easy, it's cute, and it's a vibe. So now I'm just going to put the hair into a simple middle part and it's a look. For this next style, I was going to put this into a bun, but girl, when I was done, the bun ended up bigger than my head because my head is small. So I just went ahead and put it into a nice little cute ponytail and you will see how it comes out. Okay, I'm liking this. This is cute and it's not overpowering my little head. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video. Let me know your thoughts below. And I will leave all of the information on this hair in the description. And I will see you guys in my next one.